Keep getting your Windows 7 system is too outdated even if you're not using Windows 7 to play Roblox? Hi there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix this annoying problem in 2 simple ways. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. First, turn on compatibility options for Roblox. To do this, first right-click on Roblox player from your desktop and select Properties. Then switch to Compatibility tab from this window. Now, check the Run this program in compatibility mode for box. And select Windows 7 from this menu. Also, check the Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as Administrator boxes. Then click on Apply and then click on OK to save your settings. Now check if you can play Roblox without this problem. Solution 2. Still getting this error? Try deleting temporary Roblox files. To do this, type Run in the search bar here and open it up. Then type %temp% here and hit Enter. Now File Explorer will pop up. Scroll down a little and find the Roblox folder and delete it. Now you should be able to fire up Roblox without this issue. So that's how you solve the Your Windows 7 system is too outdated issue in Roblox. If you found the video useful, please give it a like. Got more questions? Leave them in the comments below and I'll reply to you soon. Thanks for watching!